Hello guys, welcome to another episode on our channel. If today is the first time you are here, I welcome you. My name is Jackson, and in this video, we're going to discuss 3 simple ways to land a master's program in America. If there's something you're interested in, let's go!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So the first thing we do is open our Google search page and type a website called unidemands.com. unidemands.com. We'll then click on the first page you see, Unidemands, your bachelor's and master's application starts here. Then it takes us to the home page of the website. So this is what you see. Do you want to study abroad? I don't know where to start from. Scroll down. So let's scroll down. All you have to do is to follow these simple steps. So step 1 is to click on any of the countries below you intend to study. So as we can see here, there are 2 countries. You have Canada and then we have United States. So there are 812 schools. So let's click on the United States. So it takes us to step 2. Scroll down and click on any of the states below you intend studying. So you have to now select the states in America you want to study in. All the states in America have been arranged according to alphabetical order from A till W. So every state, then you have the number of universities that have been listed on the website. So for instance, Alabama State, you have 21 universities. For California, you have 35 universities. So let's assume we want to study in California. It has 35 universities. So let's click on California. This will take us to step 3. That is to scroll down and select the type of program you intend studying. So this is the stage we have to choose whether we want to read a master's or a bachelor's degree. In our instance today, we want to do a master's degree. So let's click on the master's degree. And here is the final stage. That is where you scroll down and click on any of the link by each university to get more information on the master's degree in each school. So when we come down here, we'll get all the schools, the name of the university, the acceptance rate, and then a link to the master's degree can be found just by the school. Assuming we want to study in California State Chico, we can easily tell the acceptance rate of 90%, and then we can click on the link by the school. It will take us straight to the graduate program of the school. So let's click on the school. So here you can browse all the programs and courses California State Chico runs. It goes directly to the graduate programs. You can always come back to the website when you are done with your search and then browse each school one after the other for both private and then public. When you are done browsing all the schools, if you need scholarship, you can click here to sign up for scholarship details. When you are done browsing all the schools in California and want to try another state, you just click on the link here. To take you straight to the page you select another state, so you can just browse another state one after the other. At this point, if you find unidemands.com very helpful and the video very helpful too, I will entreat you to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for getting it this far.